Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your skin color in the makeup section. So it only works if you have like custom makeup. So when you go to custom makeup, you don't need to change your skin again to match the makeup. Make sure you press apply skin color. So press E here and go to your saved makeup. Select the yes one and then select the makeup that you have on. As you can see, it's going to equip the skin tone as well according to the skin tone that you saved, like this. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can change your skin tone using custom makeup. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.